You should not try this at home.
Yeah, don't do this.
Don't do this. We can do this because we know what we're doing.
I'm gonna min-max.
Snack bite! And then just have it cut to us just like starting the thing. Oh shit.
You already opened it? Are you? How big are you?
I'm sorry.
We're doing. My hair is terrible. We're doing Chubby Bunny.
Chubby bunny challenge.
Chubby Bunny challenge. Who can get more? Probably.
Probably, yeah.
I swear to you.
It's fine, it's fine.
I had to run this through Audacity or some shit.
Okay, I'll edit this one.
I guess we start.
I'll put a time on the screen. Alright, go.
You have to say Chubby Bunny every time.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
Chubby bunny.
Oh, say what's in your mouth.
Oh, chubby bunny.
Dude, you're not min-maxing at all. Chubby Bunny, that's 2.
Mm-hmm.
Chubby Bunny. 3.
Dude, I started gagging. I can't do this anymore. I didn't even count how many it was. My jars.
I'm gonna min-max. I'm min-maxing it.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh, you try to make it as efficient as possible. Okay.
Alright.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
It's like a squirrel, goddamn.
Chubby Bunny. Boom. Boom.
I can't use it anymore. It's so bad. I'm gonna have to count every individual marshmallow you put into your mouth. Dude, that sounded disgusting. Oh my god. It's right here, it's right here. I heard that. Dude, it sounded like you're like, dude,
Throwing up.
I think that concludes the Chubby Bunny challenge. Hey, you going again?
Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.